Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we bring you chunky vegetable soup recipe. It's a very easy and simple soup recipe but very flavorful and tasty, and it's very filling as well. So as you can see, my vegetables are nicely in shape. So let's start the recipe. To make this soup, the vegetables I'm using here is carrot, celery, potato, onion and garlic, and there will be some other vegetables as well. But to start with, here I'm adding a little bit of butter, which you can adjust according to your choice, or you can totally avoid the butter as well. So I like to saute my veggies a little bit. So in the butter I'm going to saute a big size onion, which is roughly chopped, for around 30 seconds or so. And then I'm going to add here one big clove of garlic, roughly chopped. We'll saute garlic with onion for around a minute, and then we are going to add our veggies. For veggies, I have taken here 2 medium-sized carrot, which is peeled and cut, and 1 big celery stick. And I'm also going to add here baby potato, which I've used 2 baby potato, and I've cut here everything in the similar size. It's important that we cut our veggies in the similar size so that it has the same cooking time. So I'll saute all the veggies with onion and garlic for just a minute or so. We just want the veggies to be sauteed nicely with butter because it gives a nice texture and it tastes really nice. And here I'm also going to add a little bit of salt and 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herb. And for tomatoes, here I'm using chopped canned tomatoes, which is really good for this kind of soup. So I've added around half can of chopped tomato, which is 200 gram. So if you have more vegetables, you can add a full can of tomatoes. And here I'm adding 1 pot of vegetable stock. You can add vegetable stock in the liquid form or vegetable stock cubes. It adds a lot of flavor to the soup, and we'll just give it a good mix, and we'll let the soup come to boil, and then we'll simmer it for around 15 minutes until our vegetables are cooked. This recipe is for around 2 to 3 people, and you can add mushroom to this soup. It tastes really well. I didn't have mushroom, so I'm not adding it. At the same time, if you want to avoid butter, you can just put all the ingredients together and put the vegetable stock and water or liquid vegetable stock and let it come to boil. That is also a way to make this soup if you want to avoid butter completely. It's been 15 minutes, and as you can see, our vegetables are cooked nicely, and we don't want to overcook our vegetables as we want our vegetables to hold its shape. And now I'm going to add some other vegetables, which is here I'm adding cabbage. It's a handful of shredded cabbage, and I'm also adding sweet corn. It's frozen sweet corn, around half cup of frozen sweet corn. And now again we are going to give it a good mix and cook for another 5 minutes. And taste your soup at this point and add salt and pepper according to your taste, and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and your soup will be ready to enjoy. I hope you like this chunky vegetable soup recipe. We have plenty of soup recipes on our channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this soup recipe, please do give it a like. Thank you for watching.